everybody, are you ready to jump in and see what's in the latest Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead? This box is called Mistletoe Magic, and I didn't weigh this box, but it must weigh at least 3 pounds. I cannot believe how much they packed in here. This subscription box would make an amazing gift for yourself or someone you love who loves beading. There is nothing else like this on the market. I love my Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead. This is such an amazing subscription, and you won't find beads like this anywhere else. John Bead has been buying beads for 70 years. They have warehouses full of beautiful, antique, hard-to-find beads, and they are including them in this subscription bead box. You can't beat it, I'm telling you.